Hello, dear doctor. My name is Jimeng Yan and my student number is 24101469. Today, I would like to present my final report. The title of my presentation is the Sentiment Analysis of Duolingo User Reviews based on Perceived Course Difficulty. This study focuses on user emotion and learning experiences in language learning apps. This presentation is divided into 5 main parts. They include introduction, literature review, research methodology, data analysis and findings, and finally discussion and conclusion. I will briefly introduce each part step by step. With the rapid development of mobile technology, language learning apps widely used today. Duolingo is one of the most popular language learning applications worldwide. It provides standardized courses for a larger number of users. However, learners have different learning levels and learning speeds. This difference may influence user emotion and learning experience. The main problem of this study is the mismatch between course difficulty and learner needs. Standardized course design cannot meet personalized learning requirements. As a result, users may feel frustrated or dissatisfied. This study has several research objectives. First, to analyze overall user emotional tendencies. Second, to identify users' perceptions of course difficulty. Third, to explore the relationship between perception and emotion. Finally, to provide suggestions for improving language learning apps. From a theoretical perspective, its study enriches research in mobile-assisted language learning. It connects learning difficulty with emotion experience. From a practical perspective, the results help app developers improve course design. This can lead to better user satisfaction and learning outcomes. Next, I will briefly review related studies in this field. This section helps explain why its research topic is important. Many previous studies focused on learning results and user satisfaction. However, emotional experience during learning is often ignored. Learning theories suggest that difficult life affects learner emotion. Few studies use large-scale app review data to explain its relationship. Therefore, this study aims to fill its research gap. Now I will introduce the research methodology used in the study. Experts explain how the data were collected and analyzed. This study uses 9,000 English user reviews for Google Play. All reviews are related to the Duolingo application. The data were collected, data clean and prefers were collected before analysis. Text data were first converted into numerical features using TF-IDF. Its model shows stable performance and is easy to interpret. Chi-square tests were used to analyze the oscillation between difficult and emotion. To ensure reliability, clear, variable definitions were used. Stable evaluation indicators were applied in the analysis. All data were public and anonymous. No personal information was involved. Next, I will present the main findings of this study. This section focuses on data analysis results. The results show that most users express positive emotions. Positive reviews account for more than 70%. negative and neutral emotions still exist among some users. It indicates that user is generally positive but not perfect. The logistic regression model achieved good overall accuracy. Positive and negative emotions were classified effectively. However, neutral emotions were more difficult to identify. This is mainly due to unclear or short review text. Reviews mentioning course difficulty show more negative emotions. For example, negative emotion increase in difficulty-related reviews. Words such as easy and hard appear frequently. Statistical tests show a significant relationship between difficult and emotion. Discussion and conclusion. Now I will move to the discussion and conclusion section. Each part summarizes the main of the findings. Key discussion. The findings support learning theories that link difficult with emotion. They show that learning difficult influence user emotional responses. User reviews are effective data sources for study learning experiences. Practical recommendations. Based on the findings, several practical suggestions are proposed. Language learning apps should adjust course difficulty. Personalized learning paths should be strengthened. User feedback should be monitored regularly. Future research. This study has some limitations. It only uses English reviews for one platform. Future research can include more languages and platforms. Other research methods can also be applied. In conclusion, perceived course difficulty is closely related to user emotion. Each study provides user insights for language learning app design. Thank you very much for your attention.